Here we are, checking steel bars, etc.
One solid bar,
One
70
solid bar.
diameter steel. M2 high-speed steel used for cutting tools. One ruler.
What's it made of, that ruler, Russell?
This is a one solid steel ruler, as you can see.
Right, so it's metal then.
Oh, yep. Now then. Ah, it's good.
What are you going to do, Russ?
I'm going to try and bang that through here.
Yeah.
Yeah?
Well, surely that can't be done, Russell.
It can. Just by...
Well, we can see the steel ruler is going down inch by inch.
What are you thinking? You think it's folding away into my arm down the sleeve, aren't you?
Yeah.
Not so. There she
Oh,
comes.
look at that, everyone. Well, isn't that amazing? Surely that's
thank
not
you.
real. That's not real.
Well, check the bar, Gaz. Check the bar. Come round here, check it. Look on the top. You see anything?
Well, it all looks solid bar to me.
Cool.